Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. We were discussing operators and next let's talk about membership operators. Membership operators are used to check whether a value is member of a sequence or not. Here sequence is ordered collection of items, for example list, tuple, strings, dictionaries, and we haven't learned any of these topics. But don't worry, for now just remember that it is ordered collections of items. Like we can write list like this, strings like this, okay? And these membership operators are used to determine whether a value is present in that sequence or group of elements or not. And it is a binary operator and it returns result as true or false. And we have two membership operators in Python, that is in and not in. So first let's talk about in operator. Keyword used is in. You can write the syntax like this, left operand in right operand, or we can write its value in sequence. Here right operand must be a sequence. And here are few examples. This is a list, okay? 10, 20, 30. 10 is present in this list, that's why it will return true. Yes in hello. Yes is not present in hello string, that's why we are getting the output as false. So this in operator returns true if value is found in the sequence, otherwise it will return false. So to check whether a value is member of a sequence, we can use membership operators. And the second membership operator is not in. So the keyword used is not in. It is also a binary operator and it returns true or false. Not in operator returns true if the value is not present or exist in the sequence. If it is not member of that sequence, then the returned result will be true. Otherwise it is false. So the syntax is this: value not in sequence. And here are the few examples. Here 50 not in 10, 20, 30, 40. It is a list. So 50 is not present. It is true. That's why we are getting the output as true. Or 10 not in same list. 10 is present. You can use these membership operators with the loops as well as conditional statement. And these membership operators are binary operators, and it will return either true or false as the output based on the operation performed on the operands. Alright, this is about membership operators. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.